Welcome to the Explainer. You know, we keep hearing that the AI revolution is coming, that it's just around the corner. Well, what if I told you it's not coming? It's already here. And it's not locked away in some secret lab, it's free, and it's happening right now on GitHub.
So let's just chew on that for a second. What happens when the most powerful AI isn't some expensive, exclusive piece of corporate software, but it's free for everyone? Because that's the quiet revolution that's happening right now. It's putting the power to automate your life and even alter reality itself directly into your hands. And this isn't science fiction, it's open source code.
To really wrap our heads around this, we're going to look at two groundbreaking projects. They really represent the two sides of the modern AI coin. On one side, we have the Architect, a tool designed to build and automate pretty much anything. And on the other, the Illusionist, a tool designed to transform reality and let you become anyone. Okay, let's start with AutoGPT. We're calling it the architect of automation. And look, this is not just another chatbot. Forget that. This is a full-on platform for building and deploying your own autonomous AI agents that can tackle incredibly complex jobs all by themselves. And this mission statement from the creators, it really gets to the heart of it all. It says, our mission is to provide the tools so that you can focus on what matters. So you see, the goal isn't to replace you. It's to empower you. It's about giving all the tedious, repetitive digital work to an AI so you can focus on the big picture, creative stuff.
So what even is an AI agent? Honestly, the best way to think of it is like a tireless digital employee. You don't give it a to-do list, you give it a high-level goal, something like grow my Twitter following, and it just goes. It figures out the steps, it executes them, it learns from its mistakes, and it works 24/7 to hit that goal. No human intervention needed.
And you're probably thinking, okay, sounds like I need a PhD in computer science. But here's the kicker. It's a visual process. It's literally like building with digital Legos. You just connect these different blocks, read email, search the web, write text, and snap them together to create a custom workflow. Design, connect, and deploy. And the stuff you can do with it, it's just staggering. I mean, imagine an agent that scans Reddit for trending topics in your niche, and then scripts and generates a short-form video about it, all automatically. Or how about one that watches your YouTube channel, pulls out the best quotes from your latest video, and then drafts all your social media posts, all done before you've even had your morning coffee. All right, so that's the architect, the power to do anything. But now we're going to flip the coin. Let's talk about the illusionist. If AutoGPT is about what an AI can do, this next tool, Deep LiveCam, is all about who you can become. So this is an AI that pulls off real-time, super high-fidelity face swaps using just one image. That's it. And the uses are all over the map, from just having fun and surprising people on Omegle to creating the next viral meme or even starring in your favorite movie as you watch it. You could run a whole live performance as a digital character. It's absolutely wild. And here is what made this thing just explode in popularity. The creators made it look simple. Deceptively simple. The whole pitch is a live deepfake in just 3 clicks. You pick a picture, you pick your camera, and you press live. And just like that, you're live on camera as someone else entirely. That apparent simplicity, as you can imagine, went viral almost immediately. And this quote from Creative Block, I think it just nails the reaction. Okay, this viral AI livestream software is truly terrifying. It's that perfect mix of awe and alarm, right? The ability to just flip a switch and change your identity on a video call, yeah, that raised some very obvious and very serious questions. So, after seeing the power of the architect and the magic of the illusionist, you're probably asking the same question I was. How do I get started? What does it actually take to wield these tools? And, well, here's the reality check. While the results look effortless, getting there is anything but. Both of these projects come with a big warning label right on the box. They explicitly say the setup is a technical process and not for beginners. This is not a simple app install. This is for people who are comfortable getting their hands dirty with code and command lines. And this table here really shows you what's behind the curtain. For AutoGPT, you need to set up things like Docker, Node.js, and Git. For Deep LiveCam, that real-time performance is completely dependent on having a powerful graphics card and knowing how to configure all of the software for it correctly. It is not a simple download and click. Which brings us to what might be the most important point of all of this. What does it really mean for us, for society, when AI this powerful isn't locked away in a vault, but is just
out there, free for anyone to download, to modify, and to use.
Even the creators themselves are grappling with this. The Deep Life Cam page has this really stark disclaimer. It says, get consent, label any output as a deepfake. And then it says this: we are not responsible for end user actions. Think about that. They're basically saying, here's the tool, how you use it, for good or for ill, that's on you.
So we're left with this fundamental duality. On one hand, open source AI gives us this incredible power to build, to automate, create, and solve problems. But on the other hand, it gives us the power to become, to manipulate, deceive, and redefine identity in ways we are just starting to understand.
And that is the provocative question these projects leave us with. The future isn't being decided in a boardroom anymore. It's being written right now, in public, on GitHub, by anyone with the skill and the will to participate. The question is no longer just, what can AI do? The real question now is, what will we choose to do with it?